y'all, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do a really quick video. I got my first I want to call it subscriber mail, but it is subscriber mail, but at the same time it's a friend, it's a YouTube creator, somebody I really enjoy interacting with and chatting with here on YouTube. So if you'd like to see that, please stick around. Welcome back to my channel about treating yourself to a little bit of luxury, whether that be your favorite fragrance, cup of coffee, handbags, candles, anything that makes you feel a little bit better about yourself because you deserve it. And I was so fortunate to have one of the YouTube creators out there reach out and let me know that they sent, and I'm sorry, my voice is still kind of recovering from being sick for a couple of weeks. Reach out. I had put up that I got a mailbox that if anybody wanted to send me, you know, a letter or whatever, that I would be very welcome to receiving whatever, because I really want to interact with everybody. And a fabulous YouTube creator that I met on here sent me something, and I'm gonna give her a little logo right there. This is Laura Camochica. She's fabulous. She's been on here for several years. She does a lot of hermes items, general luxury YouTube, Chanel, army base shopping, exchange, I believe is what they're called. Just a fellow Latina creator, and I'm very excited to you know, just make a new friend here in YouTube land, and someone that I can interact with. So Laura reached out and let me know that she sent me a package. The mailbox place that I mailed this or got this mailbox at isn't the best at communicating, but they didn't let me know that anything was there. So I drove over, we had an ice storm, and there was in fact a package there for me. So I picked it up just a little while ago and got into it, and there's a lovely card and a little bag of something in there. So I'm going to open it all with you and share it, and I'm really excited to see what Laura sent over. He didn't have to, honestly. It's so sweet, just so kind. So looks like a little card, and it says Feliz Navidad on the back. And this Es Navidad. I won't read what it says because it might be private. Aw. She knows I don't have a Hermes boutique near me, so I see a little orange bag in there. Yes, my closest Hermes boutique is in Seattle, and that's about a 4-hour or so drive or a flight up there, and just haven't really ever gotten a chance to go up there. So little Hermes bag. Never gotten a chance to go up there. And then when I went to Chicago, unfortunately that boutique was under construction or being moved, and missed out on my opportunity to go to Hermes in person. So that was disappointing, but you know, it's all meant to be. One of these days I'll get to go to a boutique and see what we have. But thank you, Laura. That's very kind of you to think of me. So let me see what I got here. Aww. Oh, this is so cute. This is like a little homemade ornament with the book. Oh my gosh, the ribbon. Aww. Gracias, amiga. Está linda. Oh my gosh. Aww. I'm gonna start crying. That's just so nice. Thank you so much. Sorry. Give me a minute. Thank you. That's very kind. Oh my gosh. It looks like there's some little orange boxes in here, which is beyond beyond anything I need to send over. That's beyond generous. Oh my gosh. So we've got an eau de toilette sample of ombre narguile, it looks like. I've never heard of that one, so that'll be fun to try. These are lovely. I didn't even know that you could get little sample bottles in the... I've bought the little samplers. Oh, that smells nice. Oh, that's lovely. Thank you. Oh my God. I like that one a lot. Wow, that one's nice. Now I know they have a lot of fragrances. And that's what I was hoping to do when I visit, is to try out all the other ones. So I've done like the Les Jardins ones. Not all of them. I think I have 4 of the 6. And I've tried those. And then I have some of the generic like mainstream fragrances that you can get in that kit from Sephora. And then they have them at Nordstrom's. But all the other ones, there's like a Violette one I want to try. And I can't remember the other. Oh, this one. Rose Ikebana. I wanted to try those and see. Oh, and there's something else in this. Hold on. Let me try this fragrance, and I'm going to see what's in that little wrapping right there. This one, when I went on the website. Oh, that's nice too. That's really beautiful. There is a way to create a sampler of 4 fragrances, whichever ones you like, out of these other ones. And because I don't know what they smell like, I've been hesitant to do that. And it's quite reasonable to do, but I was hoping to really try in the boutique and see which ones might be my style, because I didn't really care for all the Les Jardins ones. There was like one out of the set that I got that I liked the most, and then the other ones were just kind of okay. But this sounds really interesting. Oh, it's another fragrance. It's a deluxe sample. This one is Myrrh Eglantine. Oh, that smells good. Let me spray the tissue. Oh yeah. Oh, that one's nice. Well, now I have 3 I could pick out of the scents that I could get larger sizes of. Oh, lovely. Thank you, Laura. Oh my God, that's so nice. And then looks like a Rouge Hermes little sampler blisters, which I have seen. I think when you order beauty, you can get some of these from the website. Oh, excuse my nails, they're horrible. Rouge Orange and Rose Espice. Those look really pretty. That is so kind of you. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Oh, I'm so grateful to have friends that I've met through YouTube. Laura, Caleb, Dee Dee, I'm trying to think of everybody that I've met, that are the creators. Andrea, I haven't met you in person yet, but I've chatted with you. It's been great to meet you and interact with you, and those that don't have channels, those that leave comments. Thank you so much for you know, just sharing in the, you might hear squeaking, it's Pickles. Pickles is out there, go to town. Just thank you so much for being a part of this. Like I think I mentioned during Vlogmas, I don't have a lot of folks that are in this type of world, so to speak. They don't really share my likes and interests in these things, so I'm kind of like on my own when it comes to shopping and doing things. I mean, I have friends that will go along with me, like Nordstrom or whatever, but as far as like the truly like searching out this niche type of stuff, yeah, there's just not a whole lot here. So I literally look forward to this, and hopefully one of these days we'll all get together and, you know, maybe in Vegas or, you know, somewhere central, we can all get together and hang out and go shopping and enjoy all the things that we like. It would be really fun. So muchas gracias, amiga. Es muy lindo. Hold on. Muchas gracias. Thank you so much. I'm going to end it here because I'm going to keep crying. So thank you so much. I hope that you had a great holiday. I hope that your new year has gotten off to a great start. And I hope that you have a wonderful year. Enjoy your friends and family. Take care. Bye-bye.